Welcome to Big Yellow Bins, your trusted partner for dumpster rentals in Stroud, Ontario, and surrounding areas. Dumpster rentals play a key role in keeping your project on track and your site safe. Having a dumpster on site centralizes waste collection, making it easier to keep the area tidy and manage debris. This efficiency is crucial for maintaining a safe, organized work environment and ensuring on-schedule project completion. In Stroud, waste management is crucial for all types of projects, whether it's a home renovation, construction endeavor, or event organization. Proper disposal methods not only keep our area tidy, but also contribute to environmental protection. That's where we shine. We simplify your waste disposal with flexible rental options and reliable on-time delivery. With us, you can be sure your project will move forward without any distractions. Understanding dumpster rentals is easy with us by your side. When you rent a dumpster, a bin is delivered right to your site, ready to collect everything you need to dispose of. Once you're done, our team comes back, picks it up, and handles the disposal, making the cleanup process worry-free. At Big Yellow Bins, we offer a range of dumpster types to suit any project in Stroud. Our open-top dumpsters are ideal for projects that require easy access for waste disposal, such as home renovations or yard waste removal. For bigger, heavier loads, our roll-off dumpsters provide the robust solution you need, perfect for major construction projects or large-scale commercial cleanups. Our dedication to the environment manifests in our waste disposal methods, which prioritize the planet's well-being. We focus on recycling as much as possible and ensure proper handling of hazardous materials to prevent environmental damage. Choosing us for your dumpster rental in Stroud means you're choosing a service that not only looks after your waste disposal needs, but also cares deeply about the environmental impact. Ready to experience easy and efficient waste management in Stroud, Ontario? Reach out to us today to book your dumpster rental and let's make your project a success together.